Watch this, broccoli. Whoa, impressive. I'm jogging too.
You're so strong.
Thanks. One more set.
Hello, I am Carrot. I help improve your vision and keep your skin healthy. And I am Broccoli. I strengthen your immune system and help your body fight disease. Eat us regularly, and your body will thank you. And don't worry, we taste better than we look.
A few days ago, I saw the weirdest video on my feed. It was just a fruit, not a human, not a cartoon, just a fruit talking, and it had thousands of views.
Hello, I am Banana. I give your body quick energy and support strong muscles. I'm great after exercise to reduce cramps.
At first, I laughed, then I scrolled, but later that day, I saw another one. Different creators, same idea, and somehow they were all getting views. You can use these talking fruits to teach health, nutrition, and basic education visually.
Oh, I am watermelon. I keep your body hydrated and refreshed. Perfect for hot days and healthy blood flow. Hello, I am avocado. I provide healthy fats for your heart and brain. Pair me with vegetables to absorb more nutrients.
Hello, I am Apple. I help keep your heart healthy and support digestion. Eat me with the skin for more fiber and better gut health.
That's when I noticed something important. That's what I will be sharing in today's video. I'm not just going to tell you how to make an AI talking fruit video. I'm going to build one from scratch, step by step. If this sounds interesting, click on the like button. Let's dive into the video.
Head over to ChatGPT or any AI assistant. You'll be using this box here. This is where you paste your prompt. Pasting your prompt here. Now, this is my prompt. Don't worry, if you want to copy and paste, I'll drop this prompt so you can easily do that. But first of all, pay attention. Take a look at the beginning of this prompt. You'll see where I wrote create 10 unique motion prompts. You can customize this to the number of fruits you want. If you want 5 fruits, you can write 5 unique motion prompts. Hit on send. Here is the results. Below are the 10 unique motion prompts. Number 1 is for the talking apple. Number 2, banana, orange, strawberry, till the end. The last one is avocado. We are not yet done. These are the motion prompts alone. Now, what will the fruit say? You come over here to tell ChatGPT to give you a voiceover for each fruit. Add a voiceover script for each fruit. Let it be about health tips. So what does this tell you? This shows that this kind of videos can be used for health channels. When you want to give health tips about a particular fruit, vegetable, and the rest. Just follow the same format to get it done. Hit on send. Now this is the voiceover for each of the fruits. Head over to Google Labs. Click on Flow. Click on New Project. Click here and select Create Image. Paste the prompt ChatGPT generated for one of the fruits. Also click here to set best ratio, whether you want it in portrait or landscape. Then over here you can set output per prompt. I go for 1. Then make sure that the nano banana feature is selected here. Hit on send. This is the image that Flow generated. Click on it and click on the download button. Repeat this for the talking banana, the orange, the strawberry, pineapple, and the rest of them. For animation, head over to Grok. Click on Create Videos. Click here, Animate Photo to import your image. Go down to the voiceover for the apple, copy, and paste here in Grok. Click on send.
Gut health. Hello, I am Apple. I help keep your heart healthy and support digestion. Eat me with the skin for more fiber and better gut health.
Click on the download button to download to your gallery. Then repeat this for all the fruits.
Oh, I am Banana. I give your body quick energy and support strong muscles. I'm great after exercise to reduce cramps. Hello.
Next is to head over to CapCut, click on New Video to import all the clips. If you want to make the video more engaging, then click on Text Click on auto captions to add captions to this video. The captions will be generated from the video, then set the language, then select any template of your choice here and click on generate.
Hello, I am Banana. I give your body quick energy and support strong muscles. I'm great after exercise to reduce cramps.
Hello, I am Watermelon.
Then export your video. Will you be creating this video? Type I will in the comment section. And if you have any question about this tutorial, drop it in the comment section and I'll answer all your questions. If you found this video helpful, click on the like button and subscribe for more. Bye.